Well, a tragic situation unfolding currently on the Carolina coast. This is what is remaining of Florence as it spins here. This is 8 hours. That's an 8-hour loop of what was Hurricane Florence, now Tropical Storm Florence, just dumping copious amounts of rain across the same region over and over and over again. The storm was strong enough to increase storm surge risk, upwards of a foot of storm surge. So we've got the saltwater flooding. You add in the copious amounts of rain that's just sitting around the same location. Now you have freshwater flooding as well. Some locations in North Carolina near Wilmington, maybe around Moorhead, they've already seen about 15 inches of rain. And as you can see here on the hurricane track, Florence is expected to make very little movement over the next couple of days. This is through Tuesday evening, so it's going to take all weekend just to move out of the coastal Carolina region. Certainly a tragic situation unfolding there. Here at home, though, it's just sticky. It feels tropical. The humidity is making our real field temperature feel like we're well into the triple digits across most of the region. It feels like it's 104 degrees in Hattiesburg, Macomb, and Laurel. Tonight we are going to drop down to 74 degrees, mainly clear skies, very humid conditions, winds out of the northwest at about 4 miles per hour with a slight chance of an isolated shower tonight. Now for our weekend, we're going to see pretty warm weekend, periods of some clouds mixed in with mostly sunshine. Heat indexes are going to be well above normal, certainly making it feel like it's at or above 100 degrees. Now, if there's any positive news, it's that we are going to have a slight breeze out of the north at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow we'll wake up to temperatures around 75 degrees, mostly clear skies. We'll stay mostly sunny most of the morning, warming up to 81 degrees by 10 a.m. with an afternoon high temperature tomorrow of 95 degrees. It'll be mostly sunny, warm and humid most of the weekend. That's going to continue to linger throughout the upcoming work week as well, as we still see temperatures above average in the mid 90s. Today we saw a 92-degree high reading in Hattiesburg, Laurel 93, Macomb 94. Of course, when we factor in the muggy meter, that's how humid it feels outside. We're well into the gross category. That, of course, is why it still feels like we're in the triple digits in our temperature category. This is a look of our radar over the last few hours. We've seen these showers and thunderstorms move off to the south, and that's going to continue to be the case over the next few hours with just a slight chance of an isolated sprinkle in Hattiesburg tonight. So this is a look at Florence, as well as an area of high pressure that is near our area. It's in around North Alabama. It's warm. It's pulling warm, moist air out of the south. That's courtesy of that flow, and that's what's resulting in these showers and thunderstorms that we've seen most of today. But it's also what's aiding in keeping Florence just sitting in one location. As that air flows around it, it's making just a lock on Florence's location and is unable to move. Our forecast map showing us staying hot and dry over the next couple of days, and we can see that here reflected in our next 3-day forecast. 95 is our forecast high temperature Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Overnight lows in the low 70s with periods of clouds and sunshine mixed in over the next several days. Our next chance of rain doesn't come until midweek, where we see temperatures drop down into the low 90s with about a 30% chance of rain Wednesday and Thursday. Friday, we drop down into the upper 80s at about 89 degrees. Overnight lows all week in the low 70s. It's going to be humid most of the week, so fall is close. It just certainly doesn't feel like it.